How to turn on Automix on Spotify. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on Automix on Spotify. First go to Spotify and then you need to click this icon here on the top corner and then all you need to do is just find Automix here, this one. Now just click on it to turn it off, and if you want to turn it on again you need just to click on it again. And as you see, that's how to turn on Automix on Spotify. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.